What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming PCs that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 stands out as a powerhouse gaming desktop, offering cutting-edge features and impressive specifications. Powered by 13th Gen Intel Core processors and paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards, this gaming rig delivers top-notch performance for demanding gaming applications. A notable feature is the support for DLSS 3, enhancing gaming performance and visual fidelity. What sets the Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 apart is its fully upgradable design, allowing users to customize and enhance components as needed for future gaming advancements. Visually appealing, the desktop boasts a sleek design with customizable RGB lighting, adding a touch of personalization to the gaming setup. The 850-watt power supply and advanced cooling system, including a 150-watt and 120mm air cooling unit, ensure efficient heat dissipation during intense gaming sessions. Connectivity is comprehensive, featuring multiple USB ports, including USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, 2.5G Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.1. The desktop includes one RJ45GB Ethernet and Tree DisplayPort 1.4a for versatile connectivity options. Available in different configurations, the Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 stands taller and deeper, featuring a mature gray and black design compared to its predecessor. The high-performance specs include a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700F processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, up to 64GB DDR5 RAM, and a spacious 2TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. Praised for its superb gaming performance, upgrade-friendly design, and stylish aesthetics, the Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 offers a high-speed and spacious gaming experience for enthusiasts. The ABS Stratos Aqua emerges as a formidable pre-built gaming desktop, presenting a diverse array of configurations to cater to different gaming preferences. At its core, this gaming rig operates on the Windows 11 home operating system, ensuring a user-friendly interface and access to the latest features. Powering the system are Intel processors, with users having the choice between the capable Intel i5-14400F or the more robust i7-13700F. These processors provide the necessary horsepower for smooth and responsive gaming experiences. The graphics department is handled by the GeForce RTX series, offering a choice between the RTX 4060 and the more powerful RTX 4070. Notably, these graphics cards incorporate DLSS 3 support, enhancing visual fidelity and performance during gameplay. Memory configurations vary, with options for 16GB or 32GB of DDR5 RAM operating at impressive speeds of either 5600 MHz or 6000 MHz. This ensures ample memory bandwidth for multitasking and handling demanding gaming applications. Storage is streamlined with a spacious 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, facilitating rapid data access and minimizing load times for games and applications. The inclusion of AI-powered performance optimization further refines the system's responsiveness, adapting dynamically to user demands. Designed with virtual reality in mind, the ABS Stratos Aqua is VR-ready, providing an immersive gaming experience. Connectivity features are not overlooked, with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensuring seamless networking. In conclusion, the ABS Stratos Aqua gaming PC offers a spectrum of configurations, catering to various gaming needs and budgets while delivering cutting-edge performance and features. The Corsair Vengeance i7-400 stands as a top-tier gaming desktop, offering an array of configurations to cater to diverse gaming preferences. Two exemplary configurations showcase the high-end capabilities of this gaming powerhouse. In Configuration 1, the Vengeance i7-400 boasts a formidable 12th Gen Intel Core i9-13900K processor, coupled with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card. The system is further enhanced with a massive 64GB DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MB transfer per second, providing ample memory bandwidth. Storage is handled by a spacious 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, ensuring rapid data access. This configuration operates on the Windows 11 Pro operating system, catering to professional and gaming needs. Configuration 2 features the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700K processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, offering a slightly more budget-friendly option without compromising on performance. This configuration includes 32GB DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MB per second and a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD for storage. It operates on the Windows 11 operating system. Designed for an immersive gaming experience, the Vengeance i7-400 includes customizable RGB lighting to add a personalized touch to the system. The desktop ensures quiet operation, allowing users to enjoy intense gaming sessions without unnecessary noise disruptions. With these configurations, the Corsair Vengeance i7-400 caters to a wide range of gaming needs and budgets, delivering top-notch performance in a stylish and customizable package. The CyberPowerPC GMA2700A stands out as a formidable gaming system, featuring a robust combination of hardware to meet the demands of modern gaming. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 7600 processor, this PC provides a solid foundation for high-performance computing. The graphics department is handled by the GeForce RTX 4068GB graphics card, ensuring stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. To enhance multitasking capabilities and system responsiveness, the GMA2700A is equipped with 16GB of DDR5 RAM. This memory configuration allows for seamless switching between applications and provides ample headroom for resource-intensive gaming environments. The inclusion of a 500GB NVMe SSD not only ensures rapid system boot times but also offers substantial storage for games and other data. Running on Windows 11 Home, the PC provides a user-friendly and optimized environment for gaming and general use. Additionally, the GMA2700A features Wi-Fi capabilities, providing convenient connectivity options. With its impressive specifications, the CyberPowerPC GMA2700A is a compelling choice for gaming enthusiasts seeking a powerful and reliable system. Whether engaged in intense gaming sessions or handling resource-demanding applications, this gaming PC aims to deliver a satisfying and immersive computing experience. The Alienware Aurora R16 introduces a refreshed design that sets it apart from its predecessors, with a more mainstream and compact chassis offering users a quieter operation and an overall enhanced gaming and productivity experience. Available in various configurations, this gaming desktop is designed to cater to a range of preferences and budgets. Under the hood, the Alienware Aurora R16 boasts powerful hardware, featuring 13th or 14th Gen Intel Core i7 or i9 processors for robust performance. The graphics options include NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 or 4070, ensuring smooth and immersive gaming visuals. Memory configurations range from 16GB to 32GB of DDR5 RAM, providing ample resources for multitasking and demanding applications. Storage options include 1TB or 2TB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSDs for quick data access. Users have the flexibility to choose between air or liquid cooling solutions, allowing for effective temperature management during intense gaming sessions. Running on Windows 11 Home, the Alienware Aurora R16 incorporates an Alienware command center for seamless system management and customization. The desktop's more conservative design makes it easily adaptable to various setups, fitting comfortably on desks while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. Praise for its improved performance, quieter operation, and competitive pricing positions the Alienware Aurora R16 as an attractive option for those seeking a mid-range gaming desktop with a refreshed design and enhanced features.